Pay me so much attention. That's it. That's all. Let somebody be a moderator. Because if I wasn't who I was, and if I was logging onto somebody's page and I was watching the comments, I'll probably just log on and look at the comments, because the comments, y'all in these comments, pure comedy. I just get on and laugh. I'm up because I have a toddler. I'm up because I get up every morning early. Y'all just nosy and bored. Yeah, I'm bored too this morning. But I don't got nobody's live to get on and watch, because ain't nobody on live with me. Y'all laughing too? Why y'all think we here? Love the fact you always come so natural. And y'all always give me so much how I look about me putting a little filter on. Y'all always got so much to say. And I don't care, because my stylist do not live in Huntsville no more. And I'm currently looking for another one, but it's not working out. So I come how I come, when I come, how I come, when I come, when I come, how I come. I didn't know you were going live anymore. Yeah, I got mad at y'all for a minute and I said I wasn't going live no more. But I do what I do when I do how I do it. And my son said he do how he do when he do. What's that, son? He said, Mama, say it with your chest. And his mama gonna say it with her chest. Put this up, boy. Put it up. I didn't know you lived in Huntsville. Unfortunately. My family is from Ohio. Ooh, son. Am I watching the show now? I'm gonna be honest with y'all and see. I'm not. I told y'all I was doing reviews. That shit boring. How do y'all get into it? Maybe I missed the good parts. Maybe I missed the all about Arionne. Like, I'm trying to, y'all. That's what's taking YouTube so long, because I'm trying to get into it. You be giving me Ari money back. I'm sorry, my son is screaming. It's very boring right now. Thought it was just me. Yeah, I'm trying to get into it. Like, this shit done blew up, and by the time I get around to it, I can't get into it. Yes, you watch the show. Quit lying. I ain't lying, y'all. I don't. Yeah, I don't. I'm trying to get into it, though. Of course, somebody want to watch something that's so much about them. So much. Every time Knox screams, my Yorkie looks up. How old is Knox? Come here, son. You probably already know the tea. I am the tea. What do y'all think? That comment, I was trying to read it, was pretty long, but it went by too fast. And I think that's just he was on some bullshit, so I guess I'm glad it went by too fast. You looking at the wrong show? Okay, well, you You looking at the wrong show, but yet you on my live. Let me get you off live so you can pay attention more. Linda Pike 11. Let me get you off so you can go and watch more, so you can pay attention more, because you bothered. Of course I know. So it's your car so you can set them straight. My car is not repo, y'all. I totaled my car. A Redstone Federal Credit Union sent me a check. But y'all can make up and say whatever y'all want to say. Hell, say I'm goddamn paralyzed from the waist down. I can't walk. I don't know what y'all want to say next. I don't know. Y'all so fucking silly. Y'all are nuts. Who does that happen to? Y'all are, who said, which blogger said that? The fat ones, the ones that ain't got no man. Oh, last was me and this something else. Come here, Sam. Girl, you're not even on the show. Let's see what she said. And it's nothing without you being a topic. That's so sad, y'all. And they, I wish I could give y'all the behind the scenes tea. Like, I wish I could tell y'all what's really going on. Like, I wish I could. But I don't give a fuck enough.